Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites that matter: internet, VPN, and whether your account is active. Once those are confirmed, restart Outlook in Windows, then start Outlook in safe mode by holding Control. This isolates add-ins. Make sure to note any error codes shown on screen. Next, open Account Settings to view sync status and offline settings. These steps narrow root causes quickly, so you can move to repair actions without wasting time on needless changes. Now focus on the complex middle work. Run Office repair from programs and features. Start with quick repair and escalate to online repair if problems persist. Once done, create a new Outlook profile, add your email and test send/receive. This isolates profile corruption. If data files are involved, run the inbox repair tool. Scan PSD on the OSD/PSD and move any salvageable data to a new file. Make sure to close Outlook during these steps so files are unlocked and repairs complete successfully. Finish by reinstalling Office only if repairs fail. Uninstall, reboot, then install and sign into Outlook to reconnect your account. Once connected, restore mailbox items from backup, reapply rules, signatures, and selectively re-enable add-ins. If issues remain, check firewall and antivirus settings, temporarily disable them to test, then reconfigure exceptions. As a last step, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant. It automates diagnostics and often pinpoints obscure errors. If that fails, collect logs and escalate to IT or Microsoft support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.